Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to explain how to create custom domain on static web. In last video I created this static web. Here you can see this is my static web. On this static web, if we can see this URL name is not appropriate name. It is you can see black clip. This is not right name. Okay, and this also added some different character here. To give the appropriate name, you need to create a custom domain. So you can create the custom domain, but before creating the custom domain, you need to create a DNS zone. So let us create a DNS zone. Let me open this in new browser, a new tab. Here it is in new tab, go to home, and then I click on the DNS zone. Here what I can do, I can create new DNS zone here. Okay, I'm selecting this resource group name, then DNS zone, and using the parent DNS zone. Okay, so select the name of DNS zone, something like education.com. Okay, this is my DNS zone name. All right, and it is taking the best hero, that is also okay. Click on next. Here you can mention product name. My product is education. Environment name dev. This is optional. Okay, come here. So this all is optional. Okay, you can mention the tab or you can skip also. Then click on next. It's validating. Validation is passed. Click on create. It is initializing deployment. Initialization is done. Now deployment is in progress. You can see. Okay. All right. This is done. DNS is created. Click on resource. Go to resource. Here you need to create. You need to add the record set here in DNS. So record set, I can give the appropriate name, static web or something like, okay, static web. Okay, you can give any other name also. This is my CNAME which I'm creating first. CNAME. Here I can select the CNAME quickly. Okay, this is alias. Here you need to give the URL of your static web for which you are going to create this CNAME. Okay, I'm creating this CNAME on this side. Okay, click OK. It is now, you can see it is added here. CNAME static web. Okay, now you need to add one more text record. So text record, you need to give name something. I can give different one. DNS auth and DNS auth dot. Okay, static web. Okay, right, this is my text. Here you can select this text. So basically it is used for validation. All right, here you can give this site name, remove this HTTPS. Okay, click on OK. So text name is also added here in this DNS. It is also added here. Okay, now go to static web. So on web you can click here on custom domain, and by default you can see custom domain with this name, but this is not right. We need to create our own custom domain with appropriate name. So go and click here. You can create these are two options: custom domain on other DNS, custom domain on other DNS. I can click here other DNS, and here I can mention the name of my custom domain. desapp.education.com, this one. Okay, this is my name of my custom domain. Click here. All right, select CNAME. Okay, I need to do this validation basically, so I'm selecting this text and will generate code. Okay, then what I'm doing, I'm just validating this custom domain. Okay, so it may take few seconds to validate. For time being, yes, you can see rest of other options here. uh, Application inside also, configuration, app APIs here in static web app. Okay, all done. So what it is saying that validation is successful, configuration of this all is done, and it is saying the create a text record this and DNS configuration domain. It can take up 12 hours to DNS changes to take effect. Okay, so it may take some time to reflect here what this one is created, and validation may take up to 12 hours. Here you can close this window and then you can see this is your custom domain name. Once this validation is done, then your site would be running with this name. So that is the key purpose. Here you can mention your business name, you can mention appropriate name for your site. Basis on that you can access the site. So that is all. That is the key purpose of custom domain. Let me summarize again. For creating the custom domain for your business site, for your web app, you need to create DNS zone first. You need to add the CNAME, you need to add the text name there, and text name CNAME basically is used for custom domain here. This one, previous one, this one is my CNAME, and custom domain is combination of two things. One is this DNS zone, and before part is CNAME. CNAME plus DNS zone is called custom domain. Okay, and then text record is used for validation. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Thank you.